When there's a will, there's a way, and Tiruchirappalli-based cyclist Chandrasekhar Rajesh is a perfect example of this famous English saying. Rajesh had met with a near-fatal accident last year and had slipped into a coma for 10 days. He was bedridden for 6 months. When everybody had lost hope, this young rider fought all odds to make comeback and is now ready for the Asian Cycling Championship. In an exclusive chat with NNIA Sports, the ace cyclist said, "It's like my second birth." Riding on the invaluable exposure at the World Championship at Belarus last month, Indian cyclists will look to put up a solid showing when Asia's best riders line up for the prestigious Asian Cycling Championship in the national capital from March 7 to 17, 2013. According to C. Rajesh, the championship will be the perfect platform for the Indian cyclist.
It's good because we are first time we are going to have a Asian Cycling Championship in India. Before also it has happened. Now it's for me it's first time. I am hope that we will give our best performance, and we are very happy to see all the riders to ride in our, because I ride a Commonwealth Games in Delhi also. Now this is the first time Asia team is going to participate in India.
For Rajesh, it is very much a story of coming back from the brink as he was bedridden for 6 months. The 24-year-old narrated how he was back on the track.
That say means I want to say a thank to my dad because he is my full support. He is also sportsman, and from the when I get injury itself, he is behind with me and he is motivate me. After 6 months, he is coming with me every time doing training. Maximum he is my back support still now. If my father is not there, I'm not possible to ride here. I'm not a good cyclist also, we can say that.
The Indian Railways employee showed remarkable courage to come back, and 7 months after the accident, he became the first Indian to qualify for an individual event in the World Championships by securing 10th place in the Asian Cup in Iran. In the recently held Worlds in Belarus, he could not give his best as the team cycle could not be transported there in time.
Yeah, it's good, but one thing, our bike was not get a proper time, but I get my bike at the competition. Before my competition at 7 o'clock, 4 o'clock I get my bike, and for 5 days I don't have no training, nothing else, directly I ride. The race also little fast while comparing to our speed. Then we need a good training for around 2-3 years, continue training, and from the basic we have to do means we can possible to achieve something in cycling.